Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Webflow for no-code website design, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. Begin by signing up for a Webflow account. Go to webflow.com and click on the Get Started button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Webflow dashboard. Click on the New Project button to start your first website. Choose a template that suits your project or opt for a blank canvas. If you select a template, click on it and then hit the Use Template button. If you choose a blank project, select Start from Scratch to proceed. Now, you are in the Webflow Designer interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout on the left side for elements and settings. Drag and drop elements like containers, headings, and paragraphs onto the canvas. Use the Style panel on the right side to customize each element's appearance. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing according to your design needs. To add images, click on the Add panel and drag an image element to your layout. Double-click the image placeholder to upload your chosen image. Utilize the Pages panel to create additional pages for your website. Click on the plus icon to add a new page, then name it appropriately. Adjust the settings for each page in the Page Settings panel. Return to the designer and link navigation elements to your new pages. Preview your website by clicking the eye icon at the top of the designer. Make necessary adjustments based on your preview. When satisfied, click on the Publish button at the top right corner. Choose your Webflow subdomain or connect your custom domain if you have one. Once published, you can share your website with others. Continue refining your design as you gain more confidence in Webflow. Explore the Webflow University for additional resources and tutorials. Always save your work frequently while making changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.